Grandmother of 14-year-old Demaya Appling is breaking her silence after the trial date for the accused murderer was moved.
A Dixie County judge granted the request because the defense counsel wanted more time to prepare. TV 20's Alexis Goings tells us the next time Gerhardt should appear in court.
She deserves the justice.
19-year-old Waymore Gerhardt's trial was moved after his lawyer requested more time to prepare due to a long list of witnesses left to be interviewed. In February, a grand jury indicted Gerhardt on first-degree murder charges in connection with the shooting death of 14-year-old Demaya Appling last year.
I want him to pay for what he's done. I want him to go to prison for life, at least. I believe they took the death sentence off the table. It's what I've been told. Whether that's true or not, I don't know. But at least put him away for life.
Demaya went missing from her home in October. Her body was found in Gilchrist County 2 months later. Demaya Appling's grandmother, Deborah Appling, says she feels like she's been left in the dark about many details about the case.
Nothing. They don't talk to me. I don't have any idea what's going on with the other perpetrator because I can't even get court dates on him.
Deborah says when she heard the trial date was moved, she broke down.
It was totally unfair. It should have never happened to any little girl or any little child, any person. They need to get rid of these guns. They need to, do mental checks on these people because there's a lot of issues. Nobody needs to go shooting at people.
Gerhardt's trial date was originally set for May 15th. He will appear back in court for the pretrial date on June 14th. In Dixie County, Alexis Goings, TV 20 News.